Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are gonna show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. Now we'll show you step by step how you can recover your Gmail account. Watch the video complete and follow each and every step very carefully. First of all, you have to navigate Google app. Hold the Google app, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Now you have to go back and then here you will see the last option open by default. Tap on it. And then here you will see the last option clear defaults. Tap on it. Minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store and you have to download and install Aloha browser. After installation, open this browser and then here you have to open google.com and then tap on sign in. And then you will land here. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number. Simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here. And here you will see this kind of error, could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on Google and then you will land here. Here you will see Google services option. At the top right side you will see three dots, tap on it and then here help option will appear, tap on it. Here in the bottom you will see search help, tap on it and here you have to type and then tap on search and then you will land here and here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select the fourth option, scroll down and then here you will see the option recovery phone number, tap on it, scroll down. Here you will see the option learn more about how phone numbers are used, tap on this option, scroll down and then here you will see the last option verify your phone number, tap on this option, scroll down. Here you will see the option phone number verification, tap on it, scroll down. Here you will see the option secure a lost device, tap on this option, scroll down. Here you will see the option if you use two-step verification, go to two-step verification backups. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see the option learn more about two-step verification and backups. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option use backup course. Tap on this option. Here you will see the option learn more about backup course. Tap on this option. Here you will see the option Google Authenticator. Tap on it. And here you will see the option two-step verification. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option how does two-step verification work if I don't have my phone. Tap on this option. Here you will see the option make sure your recovery information is complete. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see the option can't sign in. Try these tips can help. Tap on these tips option. And then here you will see the option tips to complete account recovery steps. Here you will see the first option go to the account recovery page. Tap on this option. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you have to select Aloha browser. It will automatically redirect you to Aloha browser. And then you will land here on Google account recovery page. Here you will see account recovery, recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here two options, change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password recovery dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. Scroll down. And then tap on change password. You can see changing password, your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.